It's day 2 on our weekend mushroom hunt on the east side of the Cascades. I don't know if we're going to be able to top yesterday's haul. We got a ton of morels, but today we're going to try. We're only going to hunt for a couple hours and then pack it up and head home. But we're going back to the same area, but we're going to expand our reach. I found this nice little area here, driving along, going towards the spot. So pulled over, marked it on the GPS. We're going to give it a shot. So let's go get some morels. So we found our first morel of the day. Check it out. There he is right here. Not a big one, but it's a start. Let's go ahead and take him. I bet there's a few more around here as well. Not a big one, but he's in primo shape. So I bet if we look around here up this slope, we're going to see a few more that we might have walked past. Yep, I see one. Right here. Check it out. 2 of them, actually. Look at this. Right here. This is what I'm talking about. Not to quote a rap artist, but you want to find morels, you got to get low, get low, get low. Look at that. Not bad for a bonehead. Let's keep going. So this is the terrain that caught my eye from the car. Check it out. All this stuff on the ground here, this churned up dirt. This is turkeys coming and scratching for food. And, you know, I think that there might be some nice bugs under the ground, but they come around. And morels are typically here too. But we've got a little bit of moss, a little bit of vegetation growing. Relatively open, older, grand fir forest with some mixed younger trees in there, but it's damp, and we've got some pretty good looking stuff here. So this is what you want to find, guys. Not too dense of a forest, with some open areas, with some damp areas as well, and this is good. This is good morel stuff. So let's go find some. Well, so far we found a few mushrooms, and I realized that we were overlapping a lot of areas that I was in yesterday. Since the tracking on my GPS resets if I turn it off to save power at night, which was a bad move. Anyway, so we found a few, not doing so great yet, but optimistic. But I did just find my first blonde morel. Check this out. And it's a big one. Look at this guy. What a beauty. I can't believe I almost stepped on it, but I bet if we look around, there's probably more in this area. There's a little hump right there. I don't know what that is, but we're going to go check that out. Might be a morel. Might be nothing. Nothing. But it's a good sign. Back in the shrooms. So let's harvest this puppy and keep going. So we're coming up to this hill here. This looks pretty good to me, but you know, I've been telling you about all this yellow coral, the ramaria that's been popping up. Most of it's been churned up, like this guy here, by some deer. But look at this one. This one has not been touched yet, but it's beauty. So this looks like, I can actually get it out. It looks like a head of cauliflower. Now, this should be perfectly fine to eat. You can see all the dirt and all the stuff. It's like it's worse than cleaning a head of cauliflower. But think of cleaning a head of cauliflower that's been dunked in the dirt and trying to scrub out all the crud in there. It's a pain in the neck. They're pretty tasty, but not worth the time. And remember the rule: don't eat ramaria when you're out camping, because it does have a laxative effect for some people. I don't think you want that when you're camping. I certainly don't. So we're gonna leave it. But this area that we're looking at, the romaria is popping everywhere, and I'm thinking that there's gonna be some morels too. So let's get down, let's get low. You don't want me to do my little joke routine again. But let's get low. Let's scan the hill. Let's see what we got. And let's just work through it like a really slow grid pattern. And let's find some mushrooms. Let's go. You can see we got a lot of little wild strawberries coming up. This is the right angle, the right slope. There's got to be some morels popping up in here. Well, we got lucky. I think we found our first one in our new spot here. Man, look how camouflaged this guy is here. Look at him. Look at how camouflaged that dude is. That's a cool looking morel. Look at it. He's starting to dry out, but he's still good. Still good. Cover up the little stump there. But look at it. Here's our grand fir. Wild strawberries. A little bit of clover in here. And it's under a little bit of the shade. Beauty. Beauty. Let's get some more. Guys, here's how we know we are in the right spot. This is another one of the Calypso orchids. This is a really cool looking flower. One leaf, really easy to identify. And it fruits at the same time as the morels do. So it's a good one. If you can find it, you know you're in the right area. Check out that huge romaria over there. I'm tempted to take it because I'm heading home today, so those effects of the romaria might not be so bad at home. I'm surprised that the deer have not taken this guy here. Look at it. Let's see if we can get underneath it. Check it out. It looks like almost like a piece of coral. That's what they call it, the coral mushroom. Hey, nice idea. But look, it's still firm. There's no worms underneath. And shake out a lot of this stuff. If I'm going to clean this, I'm probably going to just soak it and then get as much dirt as I can off it. But that's enough for a little bit of a saute. Let's bury up a hole here. So, not bad. Smells like romaria, whatever that is. Okay, let's keep going. Do you guys see the morel? How about now? See it poking up right there? There it is. I didn't see it from the road. It just popped off to take a look at this nut. Check it out. I pan around to show you guys what I'm looking at over here. Here's a morel. Hello. Hello, friend. Let's just take care of you. Man, I was walking on the trail. And he said, oh, that looks like a nice little spot. Let's drop in and take a look. Sometimes I feel like I can just smell them. Like I'm the mushroom sniffer. Maybe that's what I'll name my channel. The mushroom sniffer. Might be a good change up from the DADventurer. But anyway, let's go get this other morel, and then we're going to take a little time in this area. I thought we were done. We were heading back to the car. No, we are not done. Another beauty. Look at these. Nice. Oh boy. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show you. This nice little area here. Now we're going to have to get low and take a look and see what we can find. Check out these manzanitas over here too. I usually find morels at the higher elevations above 3,500 feet hanging out underneath these manzanitas. I don't know what the relation is, but they like them. So, all right, let's go. Well, guys, I bent over to stop and change out my batteries. on the GoPro, and check it out. I look out of the corner of my eye, I see 2 beauties right here, and there's a 3rd one. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. Wow, how lucky is that? Just goes to show you, I just came for that 1 mushroom in this spot, and now I have 4. And I'm certain that there's got to be more. Look, we're right underneath a really young grand fir, and now I'm gonna have to sniff out the rest of them. So check out this area around me. This is a really nice spot. I'm looking around. We've got dirt. We've got lots of grand firs. And it just feels good. It's a little moist. We're going to get down and check things out here. Just going to scan low. Low and slow. I know, all these pine cones look like morels. Oh, I see one. It works. If you guys can see it. You see it yet? How about now? Here it is. Dang! It works. Just put our knife right here. But let's see. There's got to be another one or 2 or 10 real close to here. Just looking. Okay, I don't see any, but we're just going to go up another 10 or 15 feet and do the same thing again. Guys, this method works. Hopefully you try it, and hopefully you get into some mushrooms. Well, we're wrapping up day 2 of our Morel mushroom hunt, and we had a better day than I thought. We got in a couple of dozen nice morels. We also picked some beautiful yellow coral, some romaria. We're going to take it home and clean it up. And all in all, pretty damn great hunt. If you guys liked the video, I hope you subscribe, tell your friends, and I look forward to joining you in the next adventure. Thanks.